Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Omegle technical error. If your error looks like this, here is the simple solutions to resolve it. The first step is to check that the server is down or not. When you can't access a site, the first thing to inspect is if the site is facing an outage. Go to your browser and type down detector on the address bar. After that, go to this link. Here, type in the name of your server and click on enter. Here you can see that the user reports that there are no current problems at Omegle. Another step is that you can use another web browser such as Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox or any other browsers. You can also try restarting your router. The simple reboot can solve the issues sometimes. You can also use another internet connection. Or you can also switch to cellular data by turning on hotspot from your phone. The another step is to clear your web browser cookies. Open your browser and go on the three dots which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings tab. After that, at the left hand side, you can see Privacy and Security option. Click on it and you will see Delete Browsing Data option here. Now, select the time range as all time and check all of these three boxes here. After that, click on Delete Data button and the cookies will be cleared. You can also try updating your browser. Here, for the Chrome, you can see About Chrome tab and it will be checking for updates. After the update is completed, you can click on Relaunch to use the latest version of it. The last step is to flush your computer's DNS scans. Open a command prompt on your device. Go to Start and search for CMD and click on Open. After that, type here ipconfig space //flush DNS and click on enter. So these are the simple steps to fix Omegle technical error. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.